Talk about height, talk about basketball. Talking about bodybuilding, stamina, and being vibrant are all about the world of basketball. In this video, we will dive into the NBA. We've made a list of our top hottest basketball players in 2022 when they began playing, their height, what made them among the list of most desirable in the NBA, background, personal life, and their net worth. Welcome to Luxuricity, the place of luxurious inspiration, ideas, and information. We will be talking about 10 of the hottest NBA male basketball players in 2022. All basketball players from around the globe aspire to be a player in the association since it is the most lucrative sport worldwide. That is to say, the NBA is saddled with the responsibility of organizing the professional basketball leagues. The NBA was founded on August 3, 1994. However, here is our list of the 2022 hottest male basketball players. Number 1, Zach LaVine. Zach LaVine has his name, Zachary Thomas LaVine. He is handsome and worthy of being on the list of the hottest players. He was born in 1995, on March 10th. He was born in Seattle, Washington. When LaVine was a child, he began playing basketball in his father's backyard, where he was forced to imitate the NBA's three-point shootout continually. Bothell High School, in the Seattle neighborhood of Bothell, was his alma mater. He was their primary ball handler as a point guard. LaVine had grown to 6 feet 3 inches, 1.91 meters, during his junior year, and after his shooting practice, he would practice dunking in his backyard for hours, which helped him become what he is today. Zach LaVine is a handsome young, outstanding NBA player whose cute face and unique body made him attractive, and he's got fans. He's currently playing for the Chicago Bulls of the NBA. The handsome player has weighed 91 kilometers with a great height of 1.96 m and is worth $3 million with so many awards, of which Mr. Basketball 2013, Washington, 2015 Second Team, NBA All-Rookie, etc. Number 2, Devin Booker. You may have heard about this great and handsome and hot basketball player, Devin Booker. He was born of a half African and half American father. His father was an NBA basketball player before his retirement. Devin was born in the year 1996 on October 30th. However, he studied in Granville High School, where he started practicing a little about basketball. Booker is currently 25 years old, a powerful American-born basketball player. He is 1.96 m in height and weighs 93 kilograms. The powerful player studied at Union County, South Carolina. However, he currently plays for Phoenix Sun and holds the position of a small forward shooting guard with jersey number 1. Booker is presently worth $2 million. He's in a relationship with Kendall Jenner. He is handsome, strong, and an incredible player who has won many awards, including NBA All-Star between 2020 to date. Number 3, Alien: Isolation. Alien: Isolation is a survival horror game released in 2014 by Sega for Windows, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, Xbox 360, and Xbox One. It was developed by Creative Assembly and published by Sega. Isolation is based on the Alien film franchise and follows engineer Amanda Ripley, daughter of Alien protagonist Ellen Ripley, as she investigates her mother's abduction 15 years after the events of the original 1979 film Alien. The game focuses on stealth and survival horror gameplay, with the player using equipment like a motion tracker and a flamethrower to evade and outsmart a single alien entity. Alien: Isolation is one of those games that are straightforward in nature, but manage to provide unique ideas that aren't based on traditional jump scares. Creative Assembly, on the other hand, takes their time to drive you nuts with slow, awful, creeping terror that is truly one of a kind at times. Ammo will be scarce along the journey, and any crafting materials you require will be equally difficult to come across. Stealth strategies, such as hurling a Molotov cocktail at the alien and waiting for it to explode, or dashing out of the area and climbing into an air vent, are taught by trial and error. The alien's adaptive AI, on the other hand, will learn when you hide in the same location, and will go out of its way to find you. Number 4, The Evil Within 2. The game is a survival horror game, similar to its predecessor. The player assumes control of investigator Sebastian Castellanos, who must descend into the world of Union to rescue his daughter, Lily, in this third-person perspective game. There are 3 difficulty settings: Casual, which is recommended by developer Shinji Mikami, Survival, and Nightmare, which is recommended for those who appreciated the last game's difficulty curve. With enough time to complete this journey through hell, your only option is to try to retain your sanity while using all of the weapons at your disposal. Players can acquire resources to make new items such as ammo in the game's crafting system. Players can make goods at any moment during the game, however, using a workbench uses fewer materials. There is also a customization system. Sebastian's talents can be customized with the green gel, which was introduced in the previous game, and is divided into 5 different trees: health, stealth, combat, recovery, and athletics. Players can customize their weapons by collecting weapon parts while exploring Union. Number 5, Kelly Oubre. Born in 1995 on December 9 in New Orleans, Louisiana, is the professional basketball Kelly Paul Oubre, who plays under the Charlotte Hornets of the NBA. Paul Oubre was chosen by the Atlanta Hawks, and was the 15th selected in the NBA draft. However, in a 114-95 loss against the San Antonio Spurs on December 16, 2015, he set a career high with 18 points on 6 of 15 shooting. Oubre Paul developed himself into the 3-and-D player during his limited time playing the rookie game. However, in a 101-95 overtime win over the Sacramento Kings on November 28, 2016, Oubre had his first career double-double with 10 points and 10 rebounds. Oubre had a career-high 19 points, 9 rebounds, and 3 steals in Washington's in December with 110-105 over the Milwaukee Bucks. Kelly Oubre has a height of 19.98 m and weighs 87 kilograms. He's, however, engaged to his longtime lover Shhylyn. He won McDonald All-American 2014 and 2015 All-Newcomer Team Awards, the Big 12. Holds the position of shooting guard in jersey number 12 with a net worth of $1.2 million. Number 6, Chris Paul. Chris Paul is an American professional basketball player, born in 1985. He's 36 years old. However, Chris is the son of Charles Edward Paul and was born in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. He grew up with his older brother, Charles C.J. Paul, in Louisville. Because he, his father, and his brother all had the same initials, his family gave him the nickname CP3. Charles Sr., a former athlete, taught his sons basketball and football during their childhoods and coached them in several juvenile associations. Chris Paul started playing in the NBA with jersey 3 and was selected in 2005 by the New Orleans Hornets. In 2011, he became a part of the Los Angeles Clippers. Paul won the record for most consecutive games with a steal at 108. He's married to his longtime lover Jada Paul. The handsome host player's net worth is $130 million with an All-NBA team 2021, 2014, and 2016, respectively. In addition, he also won the NBA All-Star Game MVP award. Number 7, Serge Ibaka. Serge Ibaka was born in 1989 on September 18, totaling 32 years old. He has his full name as Serge Jonas Ibaka Mobile. He was born in the Republic of Congo. Ibaka is attractive, smart, and this made him one of our picks among the hottest NBA players. He was a player given and identified in the NBA All-Defensive First Team 3 consecutive times, and has led the association in blocks twice. Moreover, Ibaka belongs to the Spanish national team, although he is a Republican of Congo. As a member of the Toronto Raptors, he won his first NBA championship in 2019. The handsome basketball player is under the Team Milwaukee Bucks, NBA. Ibaka weighs 106.6 kilograms with a height of 6'10" or 2.08 milliseconds. His jersey number is 9, and his net worth estimate is $55 million. Number 8, Kevin Love. Born on September 7, 1988, is one of the hottest with spectacular looks, a professional NBA player, Kevin Wesley Love. He is currently 33 years old. Love was born in Santa Monica, California, holds the position of a power forward/center of the Cleveland Cavaliers, NBA. Kevin Love joined the National Basketball Association in 2008 after he left UCLA. He played his first professional match on October 29. However, his positive contributions gained his team 12 points and 9 rebounds over the Sacramento Kings, and his team won. Kevin Love is exceptional, smart, energetic, active, and one of the hottest NBA players whose net worth is $75. His height is 2.03 m, and his body weight is 114 kilograms. He is single presently and has won the following awards: FIBA World Championship 2010 and 2012. Interestingly, Love contributed immensely and won the 2016 NBA Championship. He is popular and has a lot of fans. His fans love him so much, both for his looks and smartness. He has 3.1 m Instagram followers. Number 9, Wayne Ellington. The 34-year-old, powerful, smart, and one of the hottest National Basketball Association players in 2022, Wayne Ellington, was born in Wynwood, Pennsylvania, in 1987 on the 29th of November. He began playing while still in college, and he won many games. However, during his days in high school, Ellington played so many leagues of which his Inter-Academic League Conference was part. He later became a player in the NBA in 2019 and the star player for so many teams. Ellington has played under many teams in the NBA. Recently, he came back to Los Angeles Lakers. He's still with the team and maintains a shooting guard position with jersey number 2. He is one of the hottest, with a striking height of 1.96 m and 94 kilograms. Ellington was the winner of the NCAA championship in 2009. However, his net worth is estimated to be $10 million in 2022. He has a lot of followers all over the world, and Instagram name Wayne Ellington 7 and 109K followers. The professional player is married to his partner, Khaled Saifi, and has a child. In 2016, Ellington won the NBA J. Walter Kennedy Citizenship Award. Number 10, Danilo Gallinari. Danilo Gallinari is one of 2022 most attractive, smart, and hottest NBA players. He was born in 1988 on August 8. The 33-year-old was born in Sant'Angelo Lodigiano in Italy. Are you surprised why he's one of our picks? He is not just a professional basketball player but a former model. Gallinari, firstly, played several matches under national teams. However, in his professional career, the smart player worked with so many groups under NBA, which includes Olimpia Milano between the years 2006 to 2008, and performed outrightly. In 2008, he played under the New York Knicks till 2011. In that same year, he was sold off to Denver Nuggets until 2017. Danilo Gallinari was with the Los Angeles Clippers between 2017 to 2019, a 2-year contract. Moreover, he is currently at the Atlanta Hawks on a deal. He has a height of 2.08 m and a body weight of 116 kilograms. Gallinari is among the hottest and rich, with an estimated net worth of $14 million. He is single. He has massive Instagram fans of 417K and Twitter, a 718K audience. Conclusively, the NBA's hottest male players are numerous, but the ones on our list have women of the game in the organization both with their skill and their body, so they have made a name. They have traveled widely, and their fame is worldwide. Their fans love them a lot. although our pick might be different from your choice players. Who is your favorite 2022 NBA hottest male player? For more luxurious inspiration, ideas, and informative videos, tune into the channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.